In this video, we're gonna go from this to this, and this to this. Stay tuned to find out how we did it.
Hi everyone. So as you know, we're now installing crown molding in the kitchen. We've run into a little bit of a problem with this cabinet. So you can see here, there's not really enough meat for us to attach the crown molding to. So we took a look at the inside of this cabinet to try and lower it. And we see here, they've decided to install 3 screws. Lovely job. So we're gonna try to take these out, loosen them, and rearrange it just so the cabinet is lowered a bit, more so like these cabinets, and it'll be a lot easier to install the crown molding.
So we're about to start installing the crown molding, and we're deciding whether we want it to go like this or the other way. So the first option is like that, and the second option is like this. And technically there is no top and bottom to crown molding, you can do whatever you want, but me and Bianca both agreed the first way was better. Just go like that. And there's technically a little bit more meat on this side to nail into, so it ends up working out that way. So let's get started cutting.
With the snowy weather, we decided to set up our workstation in here. As you can see, we have the miter saw set up on 2 workhorses, and it just makes it a lot easier with the saw at table height. So let's get to cutting.
So when cutting your crown molding, you want to put the bottom edge at the top. It's a little bit counterintuitive. And in order, if you don't have a compound miter saw and you just have one that turns this way, you can just make sure that when you cut it, you angle it like so. So you're not going to cut it like this, and you're not going to cut it like that. You're going to put it on a 45-degree angle, and then it already takes that angle into account when you cut the board. And that's about it. So we finally cut all the pieces. We ended up just cutting everything at once, and then we're gonna nail it all together rather than doing them individually. We're just gonna use some wood glue to glue it all together, and then some brad nails to nail it in. So we have these pieces here for this section, and then we cut these pieces for this cabinet. These pieces are behind you here, and then these pieces are for this cabinet. So it's actually not too many. Probably get started on one of these smaller cabinets just to make sure everything looks right, and then we'll go from there. Let's get started. After the install, we went back and caulked all of our seams. The power of caulk is truly amazing. Bianca went back and patched all the nail holes, and here she is wiping off the excess spackle. The boards came pre-primed, but then we went back and painted it to match the cabinets. And so that's a wrap on this project. We think it turned out really well and really happy with the result. This is a very inexpensive project. The materials in total probably cost us under $50, and we thought it really brightened up the kitchen and is great for resale value. If you like this video, we have a lot of other DIY projects on our channel, including flooring, accent walls, and media centers. And if you want to stay even more up to date, we have an Instagram and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.